In today's video, we are going to show you how to track time on Trello cards and projects. So first, open your Trello board and click on the card you want to track time for. This will be the specific task you're working on. Then click the Power-Ups button in the top right menu of your board. You'll see a search option appear. Go ahead and search for Activity Power-Up. Once you find it, add it and authorize it to work with your board. Now return to your card and click on it to open the card details. You'll notice some new options have appeared. Look for the new time tracking section that appears at the bottom. This is where all the magic happens. Click the timer icon to begin tracking time on that specific card. The timer will start running automatically. When you finish working on the task, click the timer icon again to stop. Your time gets saved right to that card. From there, you can view your time reports by clicking on the side timer icon. This shows you all your tracked time across projects. And that's how you track time on Trello cards and projects. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.